Hey guys, how's it going? Today we've got another cool horn to look at. So today we've got something pretty special. This is an early Canadian K3H. It is a Sandcast horn. I actually picked this horn up in Kentucky not too long ago, and it was actually on a mini truck before I got a hold of it. So glad I saved this one. As you can see, it is ribbed back caps. So that's extremely early. This horn dates to like 1962 to 63. I'm pretty sure that it's BC Hydro. It does have yellow on it. It has an assortment of different colors, mainly black, but we've got yellow, green, blue, red, some orange. So anyway, pretty cool. But like I said, it is a Sandcast horn. The tag number on it is, I wrote it down, it's 5436. And interestingly enough, I have a friend that has a horn identical to this, and his is one digit above mine, and his is 5437. So these were on the assembly line together when they were manufactured, so that's pretty cool. The first video, well, the first run by of this horn, the number one had a really bad warble, and that was me running it as I got it. So luckily everything worked. But I ended up taking it apart, replaced all the diaphragms and the internals, and it actually had the original paper gaskets on it, so I replaced those as well. The number one was being blocked, so that's one reason I had the bad warble. It still has a little bit of a warble, but it's much better, so in the future I'll probably address that and see if I can get it any better, but for now you'll see it like that. I do have an all bells forward video of this horn that you'll be seeing, but also I have a video I'm going to include of it, how it came with the one pointing forward and the 2 and the 3 reversed, and that's with the bad warble, so you'll see that. But anyway, I appreciate it guys, y'all enjoy this. This is a early Canadian K3H.